Pasima. I'm sorry I seem like a shady dude. When times are hard for your family, paying your lady dues. You come so far, having a happy family is daily news. Man, I miss you playing with me, chasing me around in your baby shoes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing another Keto Mukbang video or whatever. I actually have some crab legs and shrimp. I didn't do no corn or potatoes. Oh, and I think I have eggs too. So I'm gonna try this with egg. I don't like egg, but they put egg in here, so I'm gonna taste it and we're gonna see what happens. I have my Coldest water bottle. Check out the description box. Enter in ship at checkout for free shipping. And then I have, of course, my favorite, buy and some napkins and some gloves. Now, this seafood, let me put these gloves on. This seafood came from the Crab Kings here in Kansas City, Missouri. So, you know, I'm about to eat this. Now, I have not eaten all day. Well, let me not lie. I had a keto snack and I had a keto-ish drink from Starbucks. So, that was about... this will take me to my calories for the day, just to let y'all know, because mainly I eat once a day. So I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, it's so much grease. These are just regular, snow crabs, and I have shrimp, and I also have eggs in here. So yeah, this is what I'm about to eat. Sorry if y'all can hear my kids. Listen, everybody's home. I do these videos when I can, but everybody is pretty much home. Actually, I already prayed over my food, because I pray every time, because you don't know what these people are going to do when it comes to your food. So I'm gonna start with a shrimp. And look at this, y'all. And I wore gloves, one, because it's messy, and two, I cut my finger the other day. So yeah, I don't need none of this spice and heat getting all up in my cut. So here's a shrimp, and their shrimp are so good. So and I got a heck of napkins, y'all, because I do not like food all on my face. I just don't. So please forgive me. And I got lip stuff on, which will probably be off soon. And I hope y'all can see the food. But yeah, these shrimps are good. Let's get into these crab legs. Now me, don't come for me if y'all don't like how I eat crab legs. This is how I eat them. And also, for people wondering, this is keto friendly. It's more dirty keto, but it is keto friendly. Just because of, you know, all the extra butter and seasoning when it's not homemade, which I could make this homemade, but you know, no, I wasn't doing it this time. Just trying to get all this meat out. So today was another busy day. The husband and I did a little bit of grocery shopping. Did a little bit of, you know, clothes shopping. Get some of this butter. What else did we do? We got stuff for ourselves. Because we're always getting for the kids. We are trying to decide if we want to stay with the like Samsung phones, or if we want to convert over to Apple. Okay, so y'all know, well, some of y'all might not know, but I have 3 daughters. All 3 of my daughters, come on now. That was good. All 3 of my daughters have iPhones, and I don't know how to work their phones. So I'm just thinking about it. They're telling me I need to convert. But what do y'all think? Should I stay with Samsung like Galaxy phones, or even another type of Android, or should we give iPhone a try? We're trying to decide, because I've heard horror stories about iPhones, but then I'm like, maybe I'm just making myself believe the bad. These are good, but I need to give me some king crabs. Like the big old king crabs. Y'all, this is so good. I haven't had any crab legs. Whew, it's been a minute. And my food is not piping hot, it's warm. So, that was good. But yeah, y'all let me know. Ooh, just a lot of butter. Them kids, I can't wait. This almost bedtime and bath time. I'm gonna try one of these eggs, y'all. Again, I'm not a big egg fan, but I'm gonna taste it. Don't be mad if I don't eat the egg, y'all. Hold on. It's not bad, but you know I could do without that. It's not bad. I gotta have cheese and all kind of stuff in order to eat eggs, and they have to mainly be scrambled or cooked inside of something. Y'all, this is messy, and I hate eating messy. But I wanted to show y'all some keto or keto-ish options when it comes down to eating out. This isn't probably the cleanest, but I was craving some crab legs. So, get all that meat out. So, I decided to get this. Now, my husband, he got the corn. Come on. He got the corn. He got the sausage, which I didn't care for the sausage, so I didn't get it. I could have had it, but I think it's beef or it's turkey. I don't think it's pork. So I could have had it, but I didn't want any. And then he had the potatoes. I told them straight out, don't put no potatoes in here. So they didn't. This is so good, y'all. So yeah, besides trying to figure out phones and everything like that, we just spent our time chilling. I thought about going completely off plan today just to eat a Popeyes chicken sandwich, because the hype has been, I mean, serious. Because I don't have cheats like that, y'all. Ooh, I need a new napkin. I don't have cheats like that at all, but I was just like, I just want to see. That stuff probably ain't even worth it. People be hyping up stuff. So I told my husband, if we would have found a Popeyes that wasn't sold out and had it, I was gonna try it. I don't know how it would have made me feel, because that's a lot of bread and breading on the meat. So I wasn't really sure. We went to 4 different Popeyes. Because every one of them was sold out or they ran out of food. I'm like, how do you run out? But Popeyes is always running out of something. So I think that was God's way of saying, Blasphemer, you are so close to 100 pounds lost. Don't do it. So it was probably a good thing. My husband's had it though. He just wanted me to taste it. And he said it's worth the hype. I don't know. And another thing, some of y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but the whole Chick-fil-A, I'm not a huge Chick-fil-A fan. I mean, they Polynesian sauce is good. But, and I haven't had it since what? It's been over probably 2 years since I had it. But, but from what I remember, I didn't care for it that much. It was alright. But, I'm not a huge Chick-fil-A fan. Anyway, Popeyes. Oh, that was good. I like Popeyes. I don't know if y'all know, I don't eat chicken on the bone. I don't care for it. So I mainly, when I would have Popeyes, I would get their boneless tenders. And I love those. I would always get spicy. So I was assuming, ooh, I'm gonna have to eat this last. If I can even eat it. Yeah, my stomach's getting tight. This is what happens when you eat keto. You get full fast. But this shrimp is a bomb. Baby girl. And baby boy. This shrimp is amazing. I forgot how much butter and stuff though they put in here. I don't know. It's good. But it's a whole lot now. So yeah, that was gonna be my cheat today. Eating that, probably with some fries. I knew it would have made me feel crappy afterwards. Oh shoot. But I just was like, hey, we went to all of them. Everybody was sold out, and even when we went to them, it was just people looking so disappointed. We went to one, and this guy was like, I just bought their last one, and they sold out now. I'm like, God dang. So, it's all good, though. Y'all, my crabs don't want to come out. I'm so hungry. The only thing about seafood and crab legs, it's frustrating eating it. But it is so good. Y'all, and if some of y'all that's watching this do keto, and y'all like, this is not keto, da da da. It's keto to me. It's butter and seafood. Ain't no carbs in here. Maybe in the sauce a little. But this is what I wanted. And this isn't an everyday thing. Just to let y'all know. I just wanted to show y'all that you can eat seafood on keto. Now, fried seafood is enough because of the breading. These claws I do last because that's too much work for me, y'all. I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. So, this is so good. And I know I probably look a mess. And I'll probably, I usually get seafood from the casino. I eat nothing but the crab legs. I mean, we will eat nothing but crab legs. Sometimes I would have gotten the sides, but I haven't even been to the casino in that came all the way out, in forever. I feel like I am trying to get full, but we can't do that. I gotta eat a little more. 1 for y'all, and 2 because I need to get my calories in. I will say this though. I like seafood. And I normally, if I make it, I dip my seafood. I don't drench it in butter. So, I wouldn't eat this very often at all. Because all that butter like that, yes, you can eat butter on keto, but this is a whole lot. So, next time I have seafood, I don't know what it'll be. But I'll probably make it. Maybe for my husband and I's anniversary. Who knows? It's coming up. Hold on, y'all. Trying not to leave no meat. Because I'm going to eat as much as I can of this tonight. And then this is it. If it's anything left, I'm giving it to my husband. Or one of my kids. More likely my husband. Because all my daughters don't like seafood. Only one. And even then, she's kind of like crazy. My hands are a mess. This is, I hate being messy, y'all. Woo. Woo. I think I'm going to eat a couple more of these shrimp. And I might be done. I thought they got me 2 eggs. It's only 1. That's fine. Because I didn't want it nowhere. Yeah, this thing is drowned in butter. Oh. It's good. Woo. Y'all. This is good, but I think it's gonna be time for me to be done here. What to expect from my keto mukbangs? I'm gonna let y'all know. They won't be extremely long because I get full extremely fast. Whew. So, yeah. And tell me if y'all want to see me maybe do some keto mukbangs with food that I actually cook. Oh, excuse me. Instead of like keto-ish or low carb takeout. Because so far I've showed y'all stuff that I've gotten out. And I mean, in my what I eat in the days, y'all see me eat stuff, but y'all don't see me eat the whole meal or have conversations with y'all or whatever like that. So let me know. Because some of y'all probably like, girl, you don't have to show us this stuff. You can show us what you cook and eat that. It would just have to probably be the days. Well, I always eat OMAD unless I'm filming what I eat in a day. But probably when I do a big, nice OMAD meal, and one I think that y'all will like that I make. Like I've thought about doing a big taco salad, keto taco salad and stuff like that. So if y'all want me to do that and not always show this type of stuff, just let me know. And I'll be sure to do it. But I pretty much ate all my food. I got all these left. That egg that I'm not going to eat and 2 shrimp. Should I try to finish the 2 shrimp? I probably will. Yeah, I'm at that point. Last one. And we done. I know my face is probably a mess. I probably got sauce dripping. Oh yeah, I'm done. This meal was so good. Whew. But I'm done. I am done. Oh my God. That was something else. Oh, I won't be having you for a while, king crab. What do you call king crabs? I don't wipe makeup off. But that was really good. Ooh. I hope y'all enjoyed. Excuse me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Comment. It can be a good or bad comment. Whatever you want to leave is fine. I take all constructive criticism. So yeah, I'm done for the night. That was good. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.